Hi, I'm Siwen. I'm the new Chinese teacher for both elementary and middle school. I am from Malaysia. In our Chinese class, instead of teacher feeding them the information, they are encouraged to find out the new vocabulary by themselves, and then they share what they found with the class. Students are encouraged to take ownership of the learning instead of they being passive. One of the parents actually highlighted a concern to me that how am I going to teach when the students come from different backgrounds and they have different abilities. So even though the topic is the same, but the content and the expectations are varied. Students who are very new to Chinese, they are only expected to know the names of a few major countries and how do we ask friend, where are you from? So for students who have been learning Chinese for a few years, they are expected to converse more in Chinese.